Okay, so put the key on. There's a button here that says washer push. Okay. All right, so we're missing something right here. Windshield washer fluid bottle supposed to be here. Looks like something ate this. This hose, I don't know, a bunch of hoses. The hoses here, and then over here. So I'm going to replace all these hoses. I'll put a new windshield washer bottle. And then I noticed this, the old antifreeze bottle, is just, it must be the original one, but you can just, it's all deteriorated, look at that. So, I got a new one of those too. So this one here, I think is the same. Looks kind of the same. That's the part number. It's from a Chevy P30. And then for the washer bottle, I just got a little washer bottle, windshield washer bottle. Just gonna mount it right there. Get one of those screws, put a screw there, boom, done. It even comes with a little pump. And then I'll put all new hoses, and we'll see if that works. I'm assuming this wire goes somewhere into the washer and inside. Maybe it still works. I don't know. There's a different connector on here. Obviously it was spliced together at one point. So I'll just cut this off and put the new connector on there. Alright. There we go. Alright. I have the new water bottle in. It's a pain to get out. I had to take these two bolts here on the dryer for the air conditioner. One here, take that off. I got this out of the way, and then I was able to pull it out. I just need to find another cap. This cap is kind of ugly now in the new bottle. But then I just pulled it out here, put the new one in. So that was easy. This here, the windshield washer, it just actually comes right up. You can see I put that bracket right there, one bolt in it. There's the existing hole from before. And you just slide this guy back on there. And then they supply you with some of this clear tube. I don't have any other. I was going to do all the black tube, but I didn't have any, and they gave you this clear, so I did that. I ran this clear, it goes all the way to this sprayer here. And then the other one, so it goes over here, right? From the sprayer, nozzle over to here, and it goes up into here on this nozzle over here, which is right there. So that's that, the wires. I just cut the wires that were there, put black to black, red to blue, and I'm going to go fix this up. I'm going to tidy this up in a second, but we can go check to see if it works. Okay, so put the key on. There's a button here that says washer push. Okay, so I'm going to push it. And I'm looking down here. Here we go. There's water coming out of that one. And where is it? Yeah, water comes out of that one. Nozzle looks kind of weird, but well, it works. Never mind this this radio and dashboard. That's something else I'm working on. The radio blew out, so I got a new radio I'm gonna put in here. But there you go.